we have gone through the techniques of integration by parts. Now let's go for the examples. Now we are having a question that is integration for x sin x dx. Now taking this as a first function and this as a second function, because we have to move by LIATE, okay, algebraic and then trigonometric. Now integrating by parts, now what the formula was when we are integrating by parts? The formula was first function as it is, integration of second minus integration d by dx of the first, integration of second dx again dx. Okay, so now x with integration of sin x, that is minus cos x, minus integration, now this becomes 1 d by dx of x, that is 1 with integration of minus sin x, that is minus cos x dx. Now this becomes minus x cos x plus this negative and this negative becomes positive, positive for integration of cos x dx. Negative x cos x plus sin x plus c. This is the answer.